app for customers. Um, Financial banking made seamless, help customers access credit and also grow their savings. So you get started by imputing your name, your phone number, or your email, your referral code. Then you create an account, you impute the OTP that was sent to you, then input your passcode, then confirm your passcode. Then that has been successfully created. Then you can allow to use your Face ID to log in, when you're trying to log in. And so that next time, now you're in your dashboard, you should start your KYC verification, because this allows your credit limits to increase. Then you start your verification, fill in all the details that are required. Then you finish this, you're done with your KYC verification for tier 1, which allows you to do a few things. Then you can upgrade to tier 2, which asks for liveness test to be sure that you're the person registering. So it scans your face and all is set. Then you proceed. Then you include your residential address, proof of residential address, then your valid government ID card. Then you proceed. Then you're done with your tier 2. Then you can decide to upgrade to tier 3, where you put in your bank statement for verification, and you then proceed, add your guarantors details, next of kin, and you're all done. Then you can go ahead to create your transaction pin when transacting, and you're good. So we're back to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can see your dashboard, you can see different accounts that you have, you can see the marketplace. So this allows you to, this is your credit account. This allows you to see the credit limit that is available. You can see the credit due, your current due date, cashback that you've earned. You can add money to the account. You can transfer money from the account. You can also see that you have different accounts. You have your savings account, your credit account, your debit account, and your cashback account. Then this shows you like your inflow, your transaction history, basically. Then you can go to accounts where you can see your credit accounts. You see that you have 30 days free interest. So any money you use in your from your credit account, as far as you return it within the next 30 days, it's interest free. So it lets you know when your due date is, what your limit is, what the interest rate is, what you're owing, what the accrued interest is, what you're defaulting, and it goes ahead to let you know what the initial credit you had what your accrued interest is right now if you were defaulting in payment. Then it goes ahead to show you like the interest history, how you got the accrued interest, so that nothing is eating. Then here you can download your account statements. You can ask for a credit increase, fill out the details, and that has been submitted. You can see your inflow and outflow. Then to your debit accounts, which you can use like your everyday accounts to receive money, to transfer money, you can download your account statement. Then to your savings accounts, where you can withdraw 4 times every month without forfeiting your interest. But once it's more than 4 times, then you forfeit your interest, so you can keep your money. So you can also activate like your auto save, where it's auto saving money from your debit account or from your card, basically let you know total interest you've earned. Then your cashback account, your cashback account is all the money that you get from referrals, the money that you get from purchasing from a genius merchant or a genius business. And I would just help us see that. So if we go to marketplace, so on marketplace you can see the available offers. You can search for items for a particular business. And also you can see the amount of cashback that you would make by purchasing from a particular merchant or a particular business. And you can also sort by the cashback that you would make, also, so that even if you're buying, if there are several merchants selling the same product, you can choose the merchant that's going to give you more cashback on that same product. Then you can see where these are your chats with merchants, where you're having conversations if you want to do that. Also you can refer, here you can share your code across different social media, so people to use your code to join as a customer or as a business. You can put in the email, you can send an invite directly to an email, you can copy your referral codes, And you can also see all the customers you've onboarded, and you can also see your own referral earnings, also. Come back to your dashboard and you're good to go. Thank you so much for your time.